So Nisha, is appliances part of the deal? Does it come with the house? How do we know?
Yes, of course. Thanks, Ashton. That's an amazing question, because a lot of times people wonder, are the appliances, are we as a buyer, am I expecting that the appliances are supposed to be in good condition? Are they supposed to be part of the house? Yes.
Okay, and how do you guarantee that you're gonna like, I go see the house, I like everything, a fridge, stove, dishwasher, washer, dryer, everything is there. Now, the day I take over, I see, whoops, the fridge is not what I was saying originally. Is that one issue?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Because the whole point during the listing, there's whatever's mentioned there, it's mentions over there that these are the appliances that are part of the house. And if there's something that's going to be changed, it should have been mentioned on the MLS listing. So if it is not mentioned, then the seller is expected to give the buyer what was shown in the photos and in the listing. So that's important.
Yeah, it is important. And one of the reasons the inspector comes,
yes,
they come and check the serial number of all the appliances, take a picture. So it's all documented.
Exactly.
More documented things, less surprises would be a better deal. So what we do very often with our client, the day before we take over, we walk through the house with our client, make sure everything is intact the way it's supposed to be, and
it's in working condition. That's very important. Well. Yeah, because a lot of times that's the reason. You can go back and listen to our video on home inspection, which is very important part of your buying process, which covers all this, showing you that it's important to get these things checked by a professional so that you make the decision, and at the end of the day you do not end up with an appliance that is not working or having issues in the house.
Now, adding to that, I had one case when we took over, the dishwasher didn't work.
Okay.
So it was very close to the closing, like the day after we noticed it, and then we brought it to lawyer's attention, and the seller was nice enough to cooperate. So they changed it for us. They put a brand new dishwasher. No one's looking for trouble. We all want to do very transaction that goes nice and smooth, and that's exactly why we are here. If there's anything we can help you, feel free to contact us anytime you want. My name is Ashton again, and
I'm Nisha,
and we're here to help you at any time.
Don't forget to give us a call. Our number is on the screen at the bottom, and we look forward to hearing from you guys and answering all your questions.
Hope to see you soon.
All right.